Dice a me?
I'm sorry, I can disturb?
Yes.
Hi, I'm a tourist who is not familiar with the Italian. Do you speak English?
Yes.
I read that in Gonos Fanatica is a cave with a statue of Our Lady of Lourdes on top of a stairway.
Oh, yes, yes.
Where is it?
Here you away. Come accompany you.
Oh, thank you, very nice. What's your name?
My name is Monna, and you?
Mary. The children beautiful.
Wow. This is one of the many beauties of Gonos Fanatica. These are 300 steps, and there is the cave.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you, very nice. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello. Bye, bye, bye.
Mamma, chi erano?
Turisti, Federico.
Wow! Mom, give me the bag with the camera.
George, I give it back.
Are you joking?
Now I do the photos. After you do.
Okay.
Wow. Wonderful. Wow. George, Mark, come on. Wow. Gonos Fanatica is very, very beautiful.
Yes.